Hi, today I'll show you what's inside full remote testing environment package from 3M. It's claimed to be ready to run outside the box, and we will check that. So the paper package is covered from inside with a bubble wrap to protect it from damage. And what's inside? Inside we have a power supply with output voltage 5 volts. It has a micro USB connector. We have RS232 cable. We have DC jack, power cable to power device under the test. And we have two boxes with Orange Pi and remote testing environment board. First, Orange Pi. Inside we have Orange Pi 0 board. It has soldered GPIO header, and it also has a micro SD card. It has a pre-installed Linux-based operating system, and in RTE board we have IDC wires and RTE board. To check if all of that works correctly, we have to put Orange Pi 0 to the RTE board. We have to supply power. And connect Ethernet cable. And after a while, the device should appear at the network. As an example of usage RTE, I will run simple tests written in robot framework that performs flashing, firmware, and reads serial output of IoT node LPN Plant. To do so, I will connect an additional power supply to power device under test, connect power supply to LPN miner, and run the script on my laptop. We have also a Nucleo board here, which is used as a programmer, and a serial to USB converter to read the logs. And now I'll run the script.